Did you know there are actually simple online methods you can start today that can bring in real cash way faster than most people expect? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 quickest ways to make money online, even if you've tried before and nothing worked, even if you're not techie, or you feel like everything online takes forever to pay off. And honestly, the best part is that these methods are super beginner friendly, they barely need any setup, and you can start seeing results a lot sooner than you think. Hey, my name is Ken, and trust me, I used to be terrible at making money online. I was literally that guy trying every quick method on the internet, except nothing was quick, and the only thing growing was my browser history. I even bought a course once that said I'd make money while I slept, and the only thing that happened was, yeah, I slept. But eventually, I figured out that there are more simple, fast start methods that actually work, without needing a tech degree or 100,000 followers. Now I make consistent income online, and I'm here to help you skip all the trial and error and embarrassing mistakes I made. Alright, now that you're here for the real strategies, let's dive into the top 5 quickest ways to make money online, starting with the fastest one. And yes, these are real, beginner-friendly, and based on what's working right now. We're going to break it all down into 5 simple methods, and each one is something you can start today, even with zero experience. So let's jump in. Very quickly, if you want to get ahead while everyone else is still using the same recycled AI prompts, I strongly recommend reading this guide. It teaches you how to control AI output with better context, structure, and prompting frameworks instead of guesswork. Once you understand the system behind great prompts, you can create high-quality content in almost any niche without buying templates ever again. The link is in the description. Method 1. TikTok Shop plus AI, the fastest method for beginners. Let's kick this off with one of the quickest, easiest ways to make money online right now, TikTok Shop plus AI. And don't worry, this has nothing to do with dancing, lip syncing, or being an influencer. The real money here isn't in selling your own products, it's in promoting other people's products using AI-generated videos. Here's why this works so well. TikTok basically gives you everything: the products, the traffic, even the checkout system. No inventory, no upfront costs, no shipping, no customer support. All you're doing is creating content, and honestly, AI is doing most of that work for you. Here is how it works in plain English. Step 1. Find products that are already blowing up. This is how to find those products that are already selling right inside TikTok. Head to TikTok's Creative Center and check the top products list. You can sort by category, region, time frame, conversion performance, all the good stuff. This tells you exactly what's trending right now, so you're not guessing, you're jumping on what's already selling. Tools like Pippi Ads and CalData help you spy on the ads, the creators, the live streams. All of that helps you avoid the biggest beginner mistake, which is choosing the wrong product. Step 2. Use AI to create faceless product videos. This is where it gets fun. You've got 2 routes. Route A. Use TikTok's own AI Studio. TikTok's own AI Studio writes the script and generates the ad automatically. No editing, no filming, just type the product name and bam, finished ad. Route B, build your own AI workflow. With this method, you'll get slightly more polished videos because you will use ChatGPT writes your script. 11 Labs gives you the voiceover. CapCut edits everything. Stock footage or screen recordings become your visuals. Google V3 or HeyGen adds UGC-style AI avatars. And the trick? Don't create just one video, create 3 to 5 variations. TikTok pushes content aggressively, so more variations equals more chances to take off. Step 3. Translate your winning videos and go global. Once one of your videos starts performing, use 11 Labs dubbing to translate it into more than 20 languages instantly. This is huge because TikTok's traffic is global. Translating a single winning video can multiply your reach by 10 times to 20 times without you making anything new. And yes, people really are making $500 per day using this exact strategy. Before I proceed to the next method on my list, let me address some FAQs people always ask me. Do I need followers? No. TikTok pushes videos that perform well, even from brand new accounts. Do I have to show my face? Nope. Most successful creators don't. Do I need to buy the products? Not really. TikTok encourages review-style content using stock footage, screenshots, or AI avatars. Why this method is so fast? You don't need skills. You don't need money. You don't need inventory. TikTok handles the logistics. AI handles most of the content creation. And you can pump out tons of videos every single day. You're basically feeding the algorithm content for products that are already proven to sell. And here's where it gets crazy. The same AI tools you're using here can also build full-blown content machines that pump out hundreds of videos per week. And that's exactly what Method 2 is about. Small reminder here. If you want to stop copying random prompts from the internet and actually learn how professionals get incredible results, I highly recommend checking out this book. It breaks down how to think strategically when prompting AI so your content sounds sharper, deeper, and more original. Trust me, after reading it, buying prompt bundles will feel unnecessary. You will find the link below this video. Method 2. AI Content Factory. Now imagine being able to create viral clips without showing your face, without writing scripts, and without doing hours of editing. That's exactly what an AI Content Factory lets you do. Short-form content is exploding. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, they're pushing this format like crazy. And millions of creators and businesses desperately need more content. They just don't want to do the editing. Here's where you come in. Take long-form videos, podcasts, interviews, lectures, and let AI find and extract the best parts automatically. The AI watches the whole video, picks out the strongest moments, captions them, resizes them, adds viral-style titles, formats them for every platform. And it does all of this 10 times faster than a human editor. That's why this is such a fast way to make money. You can create huge amounts of content in minutes. Here are some tools that do this for you. 2Shorts AI, Munch, Opus Clip, Qlip, Spike Studio, Vizard. They all basically do the same thing. Paste in a YouTube link, get viral-ready clips. If you want to go advanced, you can automate this whole system with tools like N8N, but honestly, you don't need that when starting out. These tools cost around $20 to $30 per month, but one paying client covers that easily. The best part about these tools is that you can start without even giving them any credit card details. Here are 2 fast ways to make money with this method. První, build your own viral channel. Pick a high CPM niche like finance, motivation, real estate, business, or tech. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per 1,000 views once monetized. And since the content is repurposed public content under fair use, you don't even need to be on camera. Druhý, offer clipping services to creators and businesses. This is where the bigger money is. You offer 30 clips per month equals $800 to $2,000 per month. And since AI generates clips in minutes, you're not spending hours editing. Creators love this because they get consistent content without doing any work. Picking the best niches. If you want access to my list of 290 niches you can choose from, all ranked from highest to lowest CPM and which niches to avoid, check the link in the description or in my bio. Choose niches where the CPM is high. People already spend money. Content performs consistently. This is fast, scalable, and highly repeatable. How to scale with this system? Once you know what you're doing, hire a VA for $4 to $6 per hour. Give them access to the AI tools. Let them generate and schedule the clips. You just manage clients. This turns into a hands-off content agency. All that content you're creating can actually help you land high-ticket clients too, which brings us to step 3. Before I continue, I recommend checking out this book. If you want to learn how to use AI to get the best results, I will put the link in the description. Method 3. AI copywriting for high-ticket clients. If you want one of the quickest and highest-earning methods without a website or following, AI copywriting is easily one of the strongest. High-ticket businesses have email lists full of leads who never bought, and they're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month. You can help them recover that money with AI. Let me break it down, why this works fast. Businesses selling expensive programs already have big email lists, cold leads, interested leads, people who never bought. They don't want to spend more on ads. They want to convert the leads they already have. This is where you come in. Step 1. Find high-ticket businesses. Don't target people selling $20 t-shirts. Look for coaches, consultants, real estate educators, agency owners, anyone selling premium offers. You can find them by clicking on Facebook or Instagram ads, by searching on YouTube, or by browsing their websites and saving their URLs. Step 2. Make a simple offer. Send a quick message like, I can help you generate more sales from your existing email list without spending anything on ads. Business owners love hearing this because they know they should be emailing more. They're just too busy. Step 3. Do a quick call and get your info. Hop on a 10 to 15 minute call. Ask them questions, record it, then transcribe it with Descript. This gives you everything you need to write great emails, even if you've never written copy before. Step 4. Let AI generate the emails. Give your transcript to ChatGPT with a high-quality prompt so it can produce 3 re-engagement emails. You lightly edit them, send them to the client, and wait for the results. Step 5. Prove it works and lock in the retainer. Offer the first email for free. If it makes even 1 sale, you're in. Then say, if you want me to do this consistently, my fee is $3,000 per month. Or we can do a performance deal where I take 10%. This becomes recurring income. Where to get their contact emails? You can use a scraping software like LeadScrape, or hire a freelancer on Upwork to collect them for you. Either way works. Step 6. Track results and scale. Track open rates, click-throughs, bookings, and revenue. Save winning emails and reuse them as templates. 4 clients at $3,000 to $5,000 each easily turns into $10,000, $20,000 per month. And the best part? If writing isn't your thing, method 4 is even easier. No writing, no filming, just pictures of food. Let's get into that. Quick heads up! If you want to learn how to use AI to get the best results, I recommend checking out this book. I will put the link in the description. Method 4. AI Food Photography. This one is crazy simple and honestly super underrated. If you've ever ordered food online, you know how important the photos are. Good photo equals more orders. Bad photo equals customers scroll past. Most small restaurants have awful photos, which means they're losing money. Your job? Use AI to make their food look incredible. Why this works quickly? Restaurants depend heavily on delivery apps, and around 30% of their revenue comes from online orders. If their photos look bad, they lose customers instantly. You're not becoming a photographer. You're using AI to enhance their photos to studio quality in minutes. How AI makes you look pro. You don't need a camera. Lighting, photography skills. You can take quick iPhone pics or even screenshot their existing menu photos. Run them through AI tools like Google's Food Image Models, Midjourney style tools, Google Nano Banana type platforms, and suddenly you've got magazine-level images. Restaurants love this. What you can earn from this method. Restaurants gladly pay $200 plus for 10 upgraded photos. Do this for 2 restaurants a day and you're at $400 per day. 5 per week? $1,000 plus per week, part-time. How to find restaurants. Just browse platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Yelp, Google Maps. Look for restaurants with dark photos, no photos, bad angles. Or simply look around when you're eating out. If their menu looks rough, boom, easy client. How to reach out to these restaurants. Send a simple DM like this. Hey, I noticed some of your menu photos don't really show how good your food looks. I use AI to upgrade photos and help restaurants get more delivery orders. Want me to show you a free sample? Then upgrade one of their existing photos and send a before and after. Most will instantly want the full batch. How to deliver the work. Or get their photos. Enhance them with AI. Clean up backgrounds if needed. Deliver everything via Google Drive. Get paid. You can even upload their new photos to delivery apps for them, which will be an easy upsell. Want to scale to $500 plus per day? Hire a VA, give them the tools, let them handle the generation. You focus on outreaching new restaurants. Suddenly you've got a scalable mini agency. And if you love the idea of helping businesses with AI, Method 5 takes it to a completely different level. You can get paid $5,000 to $10,000 per project for automations that take you less than a day to set up. Let's get into it. Method 5. AI automation services, also known as AI arbitrage. All right, this one is the big one. If the first 4 methods were side hustles, this one is a full-blown business. Companies everywhere are dealing with something called AI guilt. They know they should be using AI, but they don't know where to start. They're overwhelmed, confused, and honestly scared of falling behind. So they will gladly pay $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month for someone who can come in, connect a few tools, automate their workflow, and save them time and money. And you don't need to code or be technical. Let's break it down. Why this works so well. Businesses think AI is complicated, but you know that with tools like Clay, Instantly, ChatGPT, Make.com, or Zapier, you can automate work entire teams are doing manually. Imagine a company with 30 staff where 10 of them are drowning in admin work. You walk in and say, I can automate 20 to 30 hours of work per week in the next 48 hours. And then you build them a simple automation stack. They save $150,000 a year. You charge $8,000 upfront plus a monthly fee to maintain it. Who to target? Don't target tiny businesses or influencers. Target mid-market companies doing $1 to $10 million a year. These companies have real budgets, have inefficiencies, want AI, don't know where to start. Find them on LinkedIn by searching for founders, COOs, and ops directors, or buy lists from tools like ListKit or scrape emails using Clay. This is fast, easy client acquisition. What you can automate, your offers. První, outbound automation, $3,000 to $6,000. Clay finds leads, instantly send emails. ChatGPT writes personalization, daily sales calls on autopilot. Customer support chatbots, $2,000 to $5,000. ChatGPT plus intercom answering FAQs, they save on support staff, and you charge for setup. Workflow automation, $5,000 to $10,000. Automate any repetitive task using Zapier, Slack, Notion, ChatGPT. HR onboarding, invoice reminders, CRM updates, document creation, all done automatically. Businesses love this because you're saving them time, staff, and headaches. How to pitch it? Keep it simple and say something along these lines. I help businesses automate admin work with AI so they can save time, reduce labor costs, and scale faster. Want me to show you 3 automations that would save you 20 to 30 hours a week? No jargon, just results. How to get your first clients. Build a list of mid-sized businesses. Use Clay Plus instantly to send outreach. Offer a free workflow audit. Show them the automation. Charge $3,000 to $10,000 plus $1,000 to $3,000 per month. 4 clients equal $25,000 per month. Why this method is the final boss. No experience needed. No website. No audience. No content creation. AI does the heavy lifting. Businesses pay big money. And delivery is fast. You can learn this in a weekend and close your first client in a week or 2. And the wild part is, you're not building software, you're not coding, you're just connecting tools that already exist in ways businesses don't understand. And the people who move the fastest with this, they win the fastest. All right, if you're still here, you're clearly serious about making money online, and honestly, that already puts you ahead of most people. But here's the thing, we just covered the fastest ways to make money online. But there's a whole other side to this world that people don't talk about, the lazy ways. And I'm not joking, some of them are so simple it almost feels unfair. So if you want to see the easiest, low-effort, zero-stress methods you can start right now, then you need to watch the next video I made. It's called The Top 10 Laziest Ways to Make Money with AI, and honestly, it might become your new favorite video on the channel. I will put the link in the description and comments section below this video. If you enjoyed this video and want more step-by-step guides just like this one, make sure you subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep making videos to support your online journey.